It's time for another ThruNite Flashlight video review. Today we're diving into the TC15 V3 and looking into all it has to offer. Inside the box, you have your flashlight. Like most ThruNite flashlights, it has a dual direction pocket clip. This flashlight, however, is powered by a Cree XHP 35.2 LED. The TC15 V3 produces up to 2403 lumens and is plenty bright for most situations. It has an aircraft quality aluminum alloy body with curved knurling, leaving it with a grippy design. Inside the flashlight, there's a 3100 mAh battery that gives you long operating times. Also in the box, there's a manual, a lanyard, and spare O-rings, a USB-C charging cable, and a holster with belt clip. Now time to charge it up and see how it performs. If you press and hold the button on the side, you can cycle through the different brightness settings. And if you double press the button, you'll access turbo mode. In this mode, the TC15 V3 has a max distance of 223 meters, or 731 feet. I used it to walk our trails and I was able to see my area with ease. It lit up my walkway and was super easy to adjust to the brightness I wanted. You can even triple press the button to enable strobe mode, and long press while it's off to enable firefly mode. This emergency mode can last up to 30 days on a single charge, and if that's not enough, it's Ipx8 Waterproof. This rugged flashlight is bright, lightweight, and feels good to operate. It really lit up the trails and left no area unseen. So if you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go explore the woods some more with my new flashlight. See ya!